Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you about a secret website, guys. Yes, guys. With this help of with the help of this website, you can remove unwanted objects from your photos. And this AI tool is 100% free. Even you don't need to log into this website. Just come to this website and upload the image, blur that object, whatever you have to remove it, and click on remove and see the magic. It will be amazing, guys. So let's start the video without a further delay. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it because I make free AI tool videos which helps you to save your time and make you productive. So come to this website, Hammaapp. I have given the link in the description. By clicking on that link, you will come to this interface. Then here you will have to go down, upload the image. So this is the image, I uploaded it. I have to remove this tattoo from this girl face. So click on brush, select the brush size, and here you will have to blur this tattoo. See, I blur the whole tattoo. Now click on remove and see the magic. See how real it look like. It look like there was no any tattoo or any object there. So this is very fascinating. So now I'll try with another difficult one. So again, upload the image. So this is the image, I have uploaded it. So now I have to remove this person from this image. So just select the brush size as per your convenience and just blur this image. See, I blur the whole image. Click on remove. See the magic. The man got vanished. Let me try with difficult one. See guys, this is the difficult one. I have uploaded it. So now I'll select the brush size and blur the whole wire. See, this is the difficult one. So I have blurred the whole wire. Let me remove it. See it works or not. If it works, this would be very fascinating. So let's see. See the magic. Oh my God. This is so amazing. And it looked like so real. Isn't even anyone can imagine that there was a wire. So the transformation of this image is just very, very fascinating. So now how you can download it? So by clicking on done and just download it. It will be downloaded. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a good day. All the best.